Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. This product that just came in the mail for me today is seriously perfect. It's exactly what I have been looking for this week. So this is from Mario Badescu Skincare and it's the facial spray with aloe, adaptogens, and coconut water. So disclaimer that this was sent to me for free in PR, but this is not a sponsored video. But I don't know what is going on, but my skin just all of a sudden this week completely dried out. I usually have combination skin where like my chin will be dry, the rest of my face, like my cheeks are kind of normal, my forehead and nose get a little greasy. This week, my entire face is so dry. Like I actually was wearing makeup 2 days ago, but I was going out and my makeup looked so dry and textured because of my skin that I was like, I'm just gonna completely take off all of my face makeup and just lather on a thick moisturizer. And that's what I wore out because that looked better than actually wearing makeup on my skin. So right now I am wearing makeup because I'm going to be testing this out as a setting spray, see if it really can moisturize my dry, textured skin. But I was literally looking for a hydrating setting spray before going out that day. But the setting spray that I was using, it was just not moisturizing my skin. It was also burning my eyes. So that wasn't great. It was the Osea Malibu, the green setting spray. I forget exactly what it was called, but I was excited about that setting spray, but it was not good for me. So maybe this one will be my answer. Also, I love the brand Mario Badescu. They have great price points. This retails for $9. It's cruelty-free, paraben-free, dye-free, fragrance-free, vegan, and alcohol-free, which is great. And this sounds perfect because it says, hydrate thirsty skin with a rejuvenating blend of aloe, hyaluronic acid, and coconut water. Powerful adaptogen plant and root extracts help skin adapt to the effects of stress while delivering a refreshing boost for a youthful looking complexion. And if you put it on post makeup, it's supposed to give skin a dewy finish, which is what I want my skin to have. And right now it has a dry, honestly powdery textured looking finish with absolutely no glow and no dewiness, and that's what I really want my skin to have, is that moisturized dewy look. And I also just love that this has so many beneficial ingredients in it. So let's go ahead and see how it is. Since this is my first time spraying it, I'm gonna do a warm-up test spray. It looks very spitty, as I call it, like lots of blobs on my hand. So I'm not the biggest fan of the Mario Badescu spray bottles, but that's okay because I'm very picky with my spray bottles. So if I find one that I like, I just hold on to it and keep refilling it with the sprays that I do like. And I've done that with a bunch of other Mario Badescu sprays in the past. But okay, let's go ahead and see what this does for my skin. Okay, the spray bottle, it seemed decent. Like I'm able to soak my entire face. And this might be totally opposite from what a lot of people like, but I actually prefer for my setting sprays to completely drench my face. I don't want that light mist that I can't feel. No, I want my face to be completely soaked, and I was able to get that with this. When you do soak your face so much, you might just have to wait a little bit longer for it to dry down. So I'll typically just take a fan or just whatever. But one thing that I am noticing right away, which is great, is that this is not burning my eyes at all. And that's something that now I've realized if that happens with a setting spray, I'm not going to like it. I'm not going to want to continue using it. I also really don't notice, and oh yeah, it's fragrance free. I read that, but this doesn't even have any smell to it, which is actually great for the setting spray. I love the nice smelling setting sprays, but realistically that's probably what's going to make my eyes burn and then irritate my dry skin. So I really like my initial reaction to how this applies. And now I would say that it's dried down and my skin definitely feels better. It doesn't look as moisturized or dewy as I was hoping, but I can definitely tell that the foundation has definitely set and it's sunken in, kind of, not that it's like sunken into my pores, but it's really just like stuck onto my skin, smoothed over, definitely feels set, like it's gonna last all day. And you can see like a little bit of shine to my skin now, but it's definitely not gonna make your skin look greasy or overly shiny. Like I could go for a little bit more shine. Also, the dry texture, it's improved, but it's not completely gone. So overall, I'm really happy with this, mostly because of how it makes my skin feel. It doesn't necessarily change how my makeup and my skin looks that much. It adds a little bit more glow to my cheeks, I can tell. But overall, the rest of my face does still look pretty matte, but it did get rid of that kind of powdery finish that I was talking about. But it's not the complete solution to dry skin. I think it really does take time, a lot of different creams and moisturizing and hydrating from within and all of that. But for a quick fix to make the skin feel less tight, look a little bit smoother, add a little bit more hydration, this is a good option, but it's not a complete solution. But this really is going to be the setting spray that I now start using daily to try and help with that, what I was talking about, that long-term use to get rid of the dry skin, hopefully as quickly as possible. And I just really love the feel of this, so I'm really happy with it. I would love to hear if you've tried this, how it's working for you and your skin. Maybe if you don't have as dry of skin as I do right now, I would love to hear how this looks on your skin and makeup. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.